I have a Bower Multipod and I'm going to unbox it. So when I first got it, I noticed that there's a flap here and you can open it and you can't see much because there's a paper in the way. Whatever. Anyway, so specs wise, height adjustables from 7 to 36 inches, Bluetooth shutter release, range of 10 meters and a frequency of 2.4 gigahertz. Now it's time to unbox it. I think I mentioned this earlier, but the price of the Bower Multipod is $30, I think, around there. Anyways, so once you open the box, you get the annoying paper which appears to be the instructions. Useless. It's a tripod with the Bluetooth shutter release, a cable for charging the Bluetooth shutter release, a GoPro mount, a smartphone mount, and I think this is a camera mount. So when you're gonna turn the multipod into a tripod, it will look like this. And it can extend quite a bit, as you can see here. I don't know how long this is, but it's pretty long. There's also a little plastic thing. This plastic was like a screw, which goes into the bottom of the tripod. So you have to unscrew it to make this work. And the free mounts, they go right, you screw them into here, right here. I think the Bower Multipod would be a good tripod for a beginner. The only problem is that it's kind of cheap, but it's $30, so you probably shouldn't expect much. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a good day.